everyone. Our group is from 9th standard, that is from group A. Myself Kshitija Praveen Pathak and my group members are Gauri Borade, Shruti Masde and Asmita Shirsagar. Our guide is Kalpana Jadare teacher. We are from Shri Swaminarayan English Medium School, Nasik. Our project is hydrogen production with the help of electrolysis of water. The basic principle of electrolysis is to split water into oxygen and hydrogen with the help of electricity. The splitting occurs into partial reactions that take place at the two electrodes, anode and cathode, in the electrolysis cell. The objective of the experiment is to demonstrate the production of hydrogen and oxygen with the help of electrolysis of water at the laboratory level. For this experiment, we are going to use the following things: electrolysis cell, platinum electrodes, anode, cathode, wires which are connected to battery, two test tubes and normal water. Let us go for demonstration. Initially, put the electrolysis cell on a stable stand, then take the 1 liter water and pour it into the electrolysis cell. Connect the electrodes to the battery with the help of electrical wires. Then switch on the battery supply with minimum 2.6 volt. Then fill the test tubes with water and put it on the electrodes in an inverted position. After some time, the electrolysis will start in electrolysis cell. Due to supply of electricity, that is, water is going to split into hydrogen and oxygen. As hydrogen is H+, so it is going to collect at the cathode, which is negative electrode, and oxygen is going to collect at anode. As hydrogen and oxygen are gases and these are forming in form of bubbles which can be observed during the experiment. In the test tube, as gas is entered, water from the test tubes is coming outside and we can observe the volume of hydrogen and oxygen gas. We can test hydrogen with the help of flame test and popping sound, and we know oxygen helps in the burning process. We have also tried this experiment by changing the electrode materials like graphites, also by adding electrolyte as table salt, that is NaCl, sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH, and ammonium sulfite. This is all about demonstration. Now my friend Gauri Borade will explain about the applications.
Applications. About 5% of hydrogen gas is produced in a worldwide created by electrolysis. Currently, most industrial methods produce hydrogen from a natural gas in the steam reforming process. The majority of the hydrogen produced through electrolysis is a side product in the production of the chlorine and caustic soda. Water electrolysis is also used to generate oxygen for the International Space Station. Hydrogen may later be used in a fuel cells as a storage method of energy and water. Additionally, many car companies have recently begun researching using water as a fuel source, converting it into hydrogen and oxygen via water electrolysis, and using the hydrogen as a fuel in a hydrogen vehicle.
The advantages of this process are, as you may already know, approximately 71% of Earth's surface is covered with water. This makes water an attractive raw material since it can be recycled back into nature. When hydrogen is burned or oxidized in a fuel cell or internal combustion engine, it bonds with oxygen in the air, forms steam, and drifts off into the atmosphere to become clouds. The clouds rain down water when it can be used again to create hydrogen, and the cycle continues.
Myself Shruti Mazde. I'm going to tell you disadvantage of this process. Disadvantage. One of the disadvantage of creating hydrogen from water is how much energy is used in the process and whether the process is clean beginning to end. For instance, simple brute force electrolysis of water takes a lot of energy, and that energy will most likely for now be coal power.